Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So today we're going to be talking about the Poco X3 NFC, and of course this device does come with a clear case with it, and the case is pretty cool. It does have some lip protection. It's a nice that they did provide that in there, but there is a case that I've been, I always check out for the phones with these type of cutouts, and so Nilkkin always makes these cases. It's called the it's basically the CamShield series case from Nilkkin. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this, but this is for the Poco NFC, so the X3 NFC. So this device, this case does say that it's for the Poco NFC and the X3 Pro, so it actually fits both as well. So I think that's pretty cool. It does have a part where you have to cut it at the bottom right here, so let's go ahead and cut that. Okay, so you can see this is the CamShield by Nilkkin. You can see that it will have a camera option to slide down just like that, and it kind of clips in. It won't cut your phone, it won't scratch your phone, nothing like that. So this is actually like a really hard plastic material. But the way it works is you slide in each corner one by one, and you put the phone in to the case from the bottom first, because it has like these little, you can see the things on the side of it on each side right there, but at the top it doesn't have it. It's locked in. So you have all the cutouts for the IR blaster, the microphones at the top, you got your headphone jack cutout at the bottom, Type-C cutout, and your speaker cutout at the bottom. And then you get this grip right here on the back of it, kind of, which feels really nice, kind of textured, but it's a hard plastic. And then you could just slide down your camera. It's really easy to do that, and it snaps into place on the bottom and at the top. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's try it on the Poco X3 NFC. So like I said, you put it at the bottom first, right there. Or actually, you put the top in first and then the bottom second. So let me show you how. I kind of heard a pop, but it's all good. And you can see right there, that's how it would look with the case on. You can see it does say the Discover Innovation, and it has like this texture to it, which kind of feels like Braille. On the side as well, so you got this grip. It's a texture, more or less. It's not grip, it's just like the texture of the case. It has like a Braille material to it, so when you hold it on the sides, it's not as slippery as it would be like at the top. So I kind of want to show you, like, it's not a slippery case to hold whatsoever. There's going to be very minimal lip on this case. So just keep that in mind. Let me put my fingerprint in here. And then, okay, so the fingerprint works perfectly fine. And you can see the lip, there's barely any, but it still has like a millimeter or two for protection, but barely, you know what I'm saying? It's barely any lip protection on here. It doesn't add to the weight. It still feels really slim in my hand, which is the main thing I like about these cases, is they feel really slim. I could get to the fingerprint right like that. It's really quick. The volume rockers work as well really nicely. And if you want to take a picture, it's not gonna mess around. The case doesn't get in the way at all, unless you have to take it down on the rear like that. And then now when I'm ready to take a picture, it shows the camera. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to take a picture of like this. You want to take down the lens before you take a picture. So you can see you may want to put a cloth in here of a few every few couple days, maybe even take it off the case and clean it. But this is a good way to keep dust away from the camera, I think. And also just also protect your camera as well. But it's a really slim case, and it has a nice sturdy material as well included. So that's why I always like checking these cases out, because they provide really good quality materials, really good grip, good camera protection, and you know, they also have like a nice curved edge right here on each corner, so you know that if it falls on the corner, it's never gonna break there. Now as far as the bottom, it's the same way. So the lip is raised up just enough, but if you hit it on a rock, obviously it's gonna crack the screen. So you might want to put a screen protector on it as well, or maybe not. But like I said, this is a really good solid case, and I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check it out where I purchased it. But this is the CamShield from Nilkkin, and it works really nicely. It fits really good on the phone. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to see the color of the phone unless I take down the shield. And you could even rock it like this with the shield down sometimes. But when you put it in your pocket or something, you might want to put the shield on so you don't scratch the camera lens. But overall, out of a 10 for protection, it's gonna be about like a out of a 10, it's probably gonna be like a 7.5. But for the camera, it's gonna be a 10 out of a 10. Just the front area is what brought the overall score down. But as far as grip, this thing is like an 8.59. Feels really good as far as grip. Style, I would give this a 10 out of a 10. Just really sleek, really nice, because it's like all black. It's got that really matte black material, so that's one of my favorite materials. This is just really solid. You can get to your fingerprint really easy, so it doesn't interrupt your fingerprint, and it's really slim as well. So design, form factor is like a 10. Design is like a 9.5, 10. But you're not gonna really get too much protection. It's mainly just like for fashion and style and things of that nature. But hopefully you did find this video helpful. This is the CamShield by Nilkkin, the sliding cover for your camera. It works with the NFC and the Pro, the X3 Pro and the X3 NFC. So just keep that in mind. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna check you guys out in the comment section. So I'll be down there reading comments. So I'm gonna check you guys there. But make sure you hit the like button and show your support and appreciation as well. And I'll get right back with you later, groupies.